Hello students, welcome back. In this part of the video we will be calculating percentile. Now, percentiles are the values that divide the data or arranged data into 100 equal parts. Now the values are denoted from P1 till P99, where P1 is the first percentile and P99 is the last percentile. Okay, so moving on towards the formula. For ungrouped data, percentile is calculated as P1 equals to n plus 1 divided by 100. P2 is twice of n plus 1 divided by 100. P3 is 3 times n plus 1 divided by 100. Now if we wanted to calculate values for P99, then P99 is equals to 99 times n plus 1 divided by 100. Alright, and for grouped frequency distribution, the formula is P1 equals to L plus 1 L plus h upon f summation f by 100 minus CF. P2 is equals to L plus h upon f summation twice of sum of f divided by 100 minus CF. P3 3 times summation f divided by 100, and if I wanted to calculate value for P99, it goes on to L plus 1 h upon f summation 99 times summation f divided by 100 minus CF. Now as I told you that they are of same nature as of median, so the same methods will be followed for calculating percentile value as well. And the relation, if we say that if you just put let's say if you wanted to calculate value for 50th percentile, and if I just put P of 50, if you wanted to calculate 50, and I just despite of 3 I say that I want to calculate value for 50th percentile, so the value will be P50 equals to 50 into n plus 1 divided by 100. If I cancel 50 ones are 50 and 52s are 100, so I can see that that formula turns into median formula. Alright, so the same is the case for group distribution as well. So if I wanted to relate a value for percentile as of median, so we can say that 50th percentile is equals to median. Now it forms a complete relation that median is always equals to the second value of quartile, to the fifth value of decile, and to the 50th value of percentile. Okay, and that is for all three cases. Okay, so for third case, for simple frequency distribution, the formula is P1 equals to summation f plus 1 divided by 100. P2 equals to twice of summation f plus 1 divided by 100. P3 is equals to 3 times summation f plus 1 divided by 100. For still then for P95 we have values 99 summation f plus 1 divided by 100. Alright, so the generalized form, if we talk about the generalized form, ungrouped data has the generalized form P of I equals to I times n plus 1 divided by 100, where I varies from 1 to 99. Now at 1 to 99 it depends at whatever percentile is asked. Alright, for simple frequency distribution, the formula is P of I equals to I times summation f plus 1 divided by 100. Alright, and for grouped frequency distribution, the formula is P of I equals to L plus h upon f into I into summation f divided by 100 minus CF. Now this I varies from 1 to 99. Now we're moving on towards the first example of ungrouped data. They have asked us to find out values of P25, P59 and P80. This is the data given. The first step is that we need to arrange the data, we need to array the data. Alright, so the values in total are 16. So for P25 the value is 25 into n plus 1 divided by 100, which gives you after simplification 4.25th value. Now we need to find out 4.25th value, and this type of values are easily determined by this method. That what you're going to do is fourth value plus 0.25, alright, into fifth value, that is rounding after and rounding before, fifth value minus fourth value. Okay, so it will give me 11 plus 0.25, 12 minus 11. Okay, so these two position values are written as 12 minus 11. Okay, their difference can be 1, their difference can be more than 1, or sometimes the difference can be equal to 0 as well. It depends that whatever number is written at that position, we have to write the same number. Okay, so 11 plus 0.25, 12 minus 11 will gives me 11.25. Alright, so P25 is equals to 11.25. Now they have asked us to find out P59th value. So 59 into n plus 1 divided by 100, which gives us 10.03 value. Now 10.3 is calculated as 10th value plus 0.03, 11th value, that is rounding after 10.03, which is 11. Rounding before is 10th value. So 11th value minus 10th value. So the values are 14 plus 0.03, 15 minus 14, and the answer is P59th value is 14.03. Then we are asked to find out P of P80 value, that is 80th percentile value. So the formula is 80, n plus 1 divided by 100, which gives me after simplification 13.6 value. Now 13.6 value is calculated as 13th value plus 0.6 into 14th value, which is rounding after value, minus 13th value before rounding. So 14th minus 13th value. Now out here, since both the positions values are same, so 14th value was also 16. The number that was written as 14th value was 16, and the number that is written at 13th position is also 16. So 16 plus 0.6 into 16 minus 16, which gives us 0. So P of 80 is equals to 16 is my final answer for P of 80. Okay. Moving on towards percentile of ungrouped frequency distribution. Now ungrouped frequency distribution, they have asked us to find out value for P10, 40 and 90 from the following frequency distribution. This is the distribution. Alright, if you can see that CF is already calculated in this distribution, wages are given, number of employees are given, and CF is calculated as it is. Now we are asked to find out P of 10th, which is 10 times summation F plus 1 divided by 100, gives me 50th.2 value. Now if we just go back, 50.2 will lies in this in CF column, it will lies in this class. Alright, 50.2 means 50 and 51, both values you are looking for, the both values lies in this class, which is the answer will be corresponding to this 50 and 51 will be 200. Now if we look for P40, it's 200.8 value, which means 208 value. So if we just go back, 200.8 means 200 and 201. Both these values lies in this class, and the observation for this class is 275. So the P40 answer is 275. For P90, the value is 451.8. So 451.8 means this value, that is 450.1 means 450 and 451. Both these values lies in this class, and the observation corresponding is 375. So the answer is 375. See, as I told you that we follow the same procedure that we used to follow for calculating median. Okay, because they all are family. You can say they all are, median is a family member of quartile, percentile and decile. So the same method is followed. Okay, for this particular case, what we need to do first is that whenever a simple frequency table is given to you, you just need to calculate a CF first. Okay, then we use the formula to find out the position value, and that position will be searched in CF column. Okay, and then we'll declare our answer. So I hope that you have understood simple frequency distribution, that how to calculate values for simple frequency distribution when you are calculating percentiles. So moving on towards the last part, which is finding percentile for group data. Now example is that we need to find out P20 and P60 from the following frequency distribution. Now this is the frequency distribution given. These are class intervals, and with each class interval there's a frequency written next to it. Now what we are going to do is that first of all we're going to make a CF column. Okay, so this is a CF less than column is made. The procedure is same as of median. So first we determine CF, then we look for the position, we look for the class, that which is a desired class that we need to work on, that we need to take frequency, lower boundary, and preceding CF. So we will be making CF first, and then we will be looking for the positions. Okay, so out here there are already positions given, that for P20 the position value was 22nd value that we need to look for. So 22nd value lies in this class. So for 22nd value, the lower boundary for P20, actually the lower boundary is 32, frequency taken is 12, and CF is taken of preceding to 22nd value, position value, since position values was 22nd. So CF is always taken as of preceding class, so CF is 15. For next value, the answer was P, that we need to search for 66th value, and 66th value lies in this class. So the lower boundary of this class is 62, frequency is 16, and we're going to take CF as 62. Since height is same, which is 10, so we're going to use it for both percentiles values that has been asked for. So for P20, as I told you, the position came out as 22nd value, and we saw earlier what were the values for P20 for 22nd value class. So the answer in total is 37.83. Now for P60, what we did it, that we first find out the class, that what is P60th class is. So 60 times summation f by 100 gives us 66th value, and 66th value, corresponding to 66th value, we take out all the values, which is lower boundary of 66th value class was 62 plus 10, because height is same, we are dealing with equal classes. Frequency is 12, 66 minus 62. Alright, so 64.50 is the final answer. So now what I want you all to do, that you calculate value of P50 and compare it with median value of this data. So you came to know that P60 and P50 and median value are same. So we got a relation, that is median value is always equals to second quartile, 5th decile, and 50th percentile. I hope that you have understood all three cases of percentiles, and now you can solve any percentile that you have asked for, whether it is P1 or it's P99. Thank you.